Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and it has been a while since I've shown a full journal that I've made. I've been a busy lady, and if you want to know more about that, make sure you check out the Facebook group and my Facebook page to see my posts about what's been going on in my life. So today I have four little journals that I've made, and I think I'm going to call them Pinup on Route 66. So they're going to be pinups on Route 66. And so my vision is that I got some of the Calico Collage digital images. I got her Route 66 journal kit, and then I got several of her Pinup Girl digital collage sheets. So I'm going to go through the first one here. And if I get paper cut, I hope to do this, there's going to be a pocket here on the front of this journal. So the front is from the Route 66 digital kit from Calico Collage. This is a paper sack, like from the grocery store, an old map, and this is one of the Pinup Girls. This is just a little piece of ephemera that I found in a little pad of paper. I printed the word and zigzag stitched and straight stitched. And then this is a pocket up here. And I think, oh good, I have. So I will include in each one of these pockets a little journaling card. I'm going to distress this really quick like. I've used Tim Holtz Distressed ink vintage photo all throughout this set of journals that I've made. I can probably tell you what size they are too. So this one here, and I'm rambling today. I'm sorry, y'all. Alright, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tall. So I'm going to get up there so you can see that in the shot. So that's 8 tall. So it's got 10 pieces of paper inside this folded to make 40 pages. So we've got a little pocket here at the top and here, and then we open up the inside. This is 3 layers of paper. So I have the digital image, cardstock, and then I use brown paper sack. So those 3 layers are attached together with glue and with stitching. This is one of the Calico Collage images, and there's lots of Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist in colors like walnut gold, oh, same color, tattered leather, and craft. And I think I had another one that was, yes, woven burlap. So all of these colors were used throughout this journal. The stenciling on this side is my lace stencil that I have in my shop that I created, and then I stamped. I made a little corner pocket. This is from papers from 7 Gypsies. And then this is just a little journaling card that I stuck in here, the old map. Here I've made a little pocket. It was a Tim Holtz die that you got a little label. Let me get everything out of there so you can see. So you got this little label-like thing, and you've got this little template, book plate-like thing that you could put on. And then I just added some burlap and typed the word out on my computer and printed through my Silhouette software, and then I distressed it, used some brown craft paper. This is a rubber stamp that looks like an old stamp, and then I stamped the background with a word or script stamp. Then this is a piece of burlap from Canvas Court Brands, and then here is just a piece out of an old dictionary. So that fits right here. Then I have a little ticket, looks like a little royal crown and some filigrees. That is from Canvas Court Brands. And then this is just one of those little ephemera things I got out of a pad of paper. And then this is an envelope from Canvas Court Brands. And then I use the Calico Collage Pinup Girl and sewed those together onto a piece of cardstock. So that is a little journaling card that I made. Of course, now the pressure's on to get it in the book again. There it goes. Alright, so this page is a bunch of different book pages that were sewn together and attached to a paper sack. Here is an altered paper clip that I made, so it's rather large, but it has a little journaling card in it. And then here's a journaling card that's in the journal. Of course, you can put these wherever you like, whenever they're a loose component. I just placed them in there where I thought it just kind of looks pretty. And apparently I didn't catch the page. Some more stenciling and stamping. This is some scrapbook paper, and then here's another little journaling card. More of the Calico Collage image. I keep feel like I'm out of shot, so. And then this is a card that I made by using a couple of different rubber stamps onto a piece of cardstock from from Canvas Corp Brands. I put some burlap from Canvas Corp Brands, burlap down here, and then this brown underneath was sprayed with Tattered Angels. I used a Starbucks cup holder protectors to keep your hands from getting burned, and I layered a piece out of a dictionary, and then this is a stamp, and then just a piece of burlap, and then I have a little bitty stamp that makes that postcard, and then I had some tickets that I got when I was on my cruise, and so I backed them with some paper because they had been written on. So I just thought that was something, you know, where you can stick ephemera that you might pick up, make your own little pockets. And this is all stamps that I had. We've got some paper from Seven Gypsies, and I just loved all of the street signs because I thought that lent its well to be part of the Route 66. Another journaling card. Here is an envelope that I stamped, and then I made a journaling card to fit out of some paper from Canvas Corp Brands, and I stamped it with the little car. So I just thought that was kind of a, just all one color, just stamping different stamps, and it kind of gives it that vintage feel. And then this is a piece that was out of a pad of paper, and I just glued it down but made a pocket behind it. And this is a page out of a dictionary that I've attached things to. So here I've got some canvas from Canvas Corp Brands and denim from Canvas Corp Brands, some burlap from Canvas Corp Brands. I've got the Calico Collage image here, and then this is just collaged in the middle. I've got a pre-folded card from Canvas Corp Brands that I have added a dictionary page, and then I rubber stamped on top of that, just basically lining them all up and stamping them out. And then here is a little pinup girl that I made out of the Calico Collage images. And then I just love this little domino image that I used here. And then this side has another one of those pads. I have not put a journaling card in there, so that could be for the person who gets the journal. Calico Collage. This is a journal card that I made. I used a rubber stamp and sewed, and used one of my honeycomb stencils. This is another of the Seven Gypsies paper here. The other side of the paper bag. And then this one, I have a little file folder that opens up so you can journal all the way on here, and then it also had a couple of little journaling cards inside. So I like to put it like that. Over here is a rubber stamp and lined paper. What I do when I print the Calico Collage images, I print lines on the other side. That's just what I do. And more of the Calico Collage. This is scrapbook paper. So here is another altered paper clip. This one doesn't have a hidden pocket in it, but I thought it was kind of fun because I used rubber stamps. All of these images are rubber stamps that I own. And then I typed the word on my computer, used some burlap here and there, used distressed inks, a little bit of Tattered Angels, and I made that little altered paper clip out of an old book page. And then this is another stamp that I have, another stamp that I have. And I stamped those out onto cardstock and just layered it up with the burlap and the words that I created on my computer. So now that can be written on the other side. And I kept it relatively flat, so you can take this and write on the back side and you won't have problems. That's just the way I am. I like to add a few things, but I don't want to be too chunky. I've got a rubber stamp over here. Here is another bookmark journal card that I made, and this is just using 2 different stamps and black ink and some Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. Another sewed pocket, another stamp, calico collage, the end. And here is the back side. The way this closes is this is sewn on. It is some trim that I got relatively inexpensively a while back, and I thought it was perfect for this. So you got that all nice and closed up. So here is the first one. She's got red shorts. And then the next one I have, she has a little bikini on. And this little lady here has a black negligee. And then this one has, and that one I will say she's a redhead with black negligee. And here's a brunette with a black negligee. So all of these will get a journaling card placed right here, and I will have these in my shop. If you're interested, please check it out. Use the description box to get there, and I'll have photos at the end of each one of these so you can have a little closer look up on my blog as well. Thanks for watching today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, comment below any comments that you have. What are you working on right now? What did you like the most about this journal? And I don't want to know what you didn't like. Because that's no fun, right? But of course, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and checked out my Facebook group and my Facebook page, please do so. Thanks for watching and listening to me today. Have a fabulous day. Bye.